Hi friends, it's Becky and it is time to open up day 14 on our 14 Days of Love Advent calendar. This is a beading Advent calendar from Gemstone Orphanage, and in it we have been opening on our channel, our friend Colleen Marie, our friend Kryssy on their channel. We've each been taking turns opening a day and putting them into our little organizers, and y'all, my organizer is full. I have had to buddy up everybody and shift things around in order for it to make a little bit more sense, but there's still room. We'll still find a place for our day 14 guys in here. And so let's pull this out. Again, this is the first Advent from Gemstone Orphanage. We have been having so much fun creating with it. If you missed any of the days that we have opened, there is an entire playlist that all of our bead unboxings are part of. You can start with our intro and then go to day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way through day 14, which will also be part of it. You can also join us on Sunday, the 15th. That is half-price chocolates day, as we all know, because we are going to be getting together here on our channel for a live beading party. That's me and Jenny, Colleen and Kryssy, and we are going to be grabbing our Advent boxes and doing some creating and making some fun things and just having a fantastic time together. So that's what we're going to be doing. And if there's no other business, I am going to proceed with the most important part of this video, and that is finding out what is in our last and final day 14. Now I do believe that with day 14, with this one, some of y'all may be getting something different in your day 14 than I do. And that's just because, you know, they ran out of one, and so they had to add a second one. So I would like to know what you got in your day 14 and if it was different from mine. This was a limited amount of Advent calendars, and hopefully we'll be seeing some more, like maybe a countdown to Halloween, maybe a 12 days of Christmas, something like that. It would be really fun to do this again because I love it. And ooh boy, we got our leather. And we've got a little gemstone pendant. And there's more? Oh my goodness, ribbon! Oh. So we've got 3 things in this one. It is a cherry blossom agate orphan heart with a bail. It already has a bail attached to it and a loop drilled down into it. Let me pull my guy out. We'll get him up close. Right up here. He's got a little bloom right on the front and a bare bottom. So you've got this guy here. It's a 20mm heart pendant, and then a pink organza ribbon. It is 18mm by 36, so it is a good 3 feet. Oh, how pretty is that, y'all? How gorgeous is that? It's got like a rainbow sheen to it. I love that. That is a beautiful ribbon. That is absolutely beautiful. And now I feel a challenge of how I can possibly use this. Ideas, maybe? All right, but then we've got some leather. It is pea leather. Pink with gold trim. And this is the item I believe that there may be a substitution for. But it is 12 inches, 6 by 1 millimeters, and there is a ribbon end in here. And these ribbon ends are nickel free. They are stainless steel, and there are 4 of these guys in here. So I'm going to put this leather. I'm going to tuck that up, put it in here with my cup chain. I'm going to put my ribbon ends, and we still have also this leather that we got. So there are so many fun ways that we'll be able to dress up our cherry blossom pendant during our thing. And I think we've got some information in here maybe. This might be our very important information. Usually when you adopt a gemstone from the Gemstone Orphanage, you get some adoption papers with their names, information about them, and some care instructions for how to take care of your orphan. And I'm wondering if that's what we've got in here. So let's find out. An adoption certificate. This is Momo! Ah! Japanese origins meaning peach blossom, symbolizing eternal youth. How fun! Cherry blossom agate, sakura agate. This palette is primarily made up of pale pinks, milky whites, and other peach or beige hues. It's a lesser known stone because it was just discovered in 2018 in Madagascar. It forms within volcanic rock where silk-rich waters seep into cavities, depositing layers of agate over millions of years. The unique blossoms are actually inclusions of chalcedony, creating delicate flower-like patterns, yay, that make each piece a unique work of art. It is flower agate. It's a type of plume agate. However, it's unique even amongst plumes in that it features fully formed three-dimensional plumes of chalcedony. Unique characteristics of your orphan gemstone is it is a stone of new beginnings and growth, which is a fantastic stone to get right at the beginning of both the new year and the lunar new year. So in many cultures, cherry blossoms are seen as symbols of renewal and a cycle of life. They bloom for a short period, creating a breathtaking display of beauty, and quickly fade away, leaving behind the promise of new growth. Cherry blossom agate embodies the fleeting nature of life, encouraging us to embrace change and cherish every moment. Your beautiful gemstone is blooming with flowers and will help you blossom into your full potential. The stone is also said to enhance creativity and inspiration, making it an ideal tool for artists and writers. Your orphan will encourage you to see your dreams through with an open heart, clarity, and renewed commitment. If you look closely, you may also notice some small dots or circles which represent the seed from which we all bloom. A cherry blossom unfolds in its own time, and so too does this agate, each stone telling a story of transformation and renewal. Cherry blossom allow the geological processes to remind you of the beauty that arises from patience and persistence. Your orphan is a reminder that every moment is precious and that even the most delicate things can possess immense strength. Visualize your goals blossoming like flowers. This orphan gemstone will encourage you to connect with your inner child, fostering a sense of playfulness and joy. The stone promotes spiritual growth by gently guiding you towards your true path and purpose. Consider how its symbolism aligns with your own journey of self-discovery. Remember that you are a being of light and love, capable of creating a life filled with beauty, joy, and purpose. Allow the spirit of the cherry blossom to awaken within you and bloom. The cherry blossom agate is a gentle guide, a reminder that within you lies the potential to bloom. No matter the season, embrace its tender energy and witness the beauty that unfolds. That is fantastic and spectacular, and I love it so much. I cannot wait. I'm going to go ahead and set that guy right in there with some of these others. This will fit right here on top, and so will this. And I can still close my organizer. We have so many fun things to play with. I cannot wait to create with this. Again, come and join us on Sunday, the 15th. And if you're watching this after the 15th, you can always watch it on replay. All of our lives are always available for replay, and we are going to have such a fantastic time. We can't wait to see you there. Again, let me know if you got a different guy. Let me know if you got something different other than the ribbon or the leather cord. And also, happy beading.